I didn't hear what you said. All right, you have 42 seconds on.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I said I wasn't going to do the remote because I'm ready.
Yeah, no. I told your son that we need you yesterday.
No, you said that he
I
was
said, don't
better
say
than
it,
me.
but I said, don't say that about
you
your
said
mom.
you do this better than mom.
Yeah, but he said we don't
Ready?
need mom, and I
ready?
said...
You ready? Let me get it right.
All right, here we go.
No, I'm going to tell you when.
Oh, man. This is going to be all day because you're going to take your time.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Go. Up.
Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to day 92 of Run the Year 2021, where we're going to post every day for this year till we get to 2,021 miles. I got my big fella here. We got a little walk in. We got a little workout in. Of course, we did the push-ups.
Go. Up. 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 I said up.
No.
No, don't give the point yet. Up.
That was more than 40 seconds. And now we're doing a little RC, some family time, and then we're gonna hopefully get out and do some night fishing.
Yes, sir.
You ready for that? Ready for some night fishing? All right, so
Catching
again,
fish.
you know, if this is your first time here, welcome. Welcome to the channel. This channel is all about positivity, motivation, inspiration. It's about getting up and getting out every day and moving that body every day. So if you're on that same mission that we're on, go ahead and hit that like button down below. And with that, there you go. We are positively entertaining sometimes. So with that, hey, have a great day. This is Good Friday, actually. So have a great weekend, and hey, invest in yourself, invest in your health, and hit that subscribe button right there. Where is it? Where is it, big dog? Where is it?
Right there.
Right there.
Right there.
Right there. There we go. Hit that subscribe button. Talk to you tomorrow.